In the world of business, one person's problem can be another person's opportunity. If entrepreneurs can find a solution to a common problem, then they can build a successful business. One example of this is recycling. The things we throw away cause pollution. Recycling them is not only good for the environment, but it's good business too. All over the world, there is a problem with electronic waste, or e-waste, as it is known. As consumers, we want the latest model of a phone or computer. That means we often throw away our old electronic products. And what happens to them? They just end up in rubbish dumps and cause problems for the environment.
There are a series of environmental problems caused by e-waste. Some of the materials used to make computers and phones can be harmful. Plastics don't break down and stay in the soil for long periods, and batteries and other components are also toxic to both humans and wildlife. And obviously, if we don't recycle, we waste valuable resources.
One part of the world that is making a real effort to deal with the e-waste problem is South America. Here, fast economic growth has created strong consumer demand for electronic products. As demand grows, so does the amount of e-waste. It is a problem that needs to be addressed.
Governments are trying to address the problem of e-waste. In Brazil, for instance, there are laws about the minimum amount of solid waste that needs to be recycled. And they're also looking at hardware manufacturers to contribute to recycling efforts. But you need to see that the governments of these countries are having some problems because currently there are not enough recycling facilities for the huge amount of waste that is generated.
A big part of the solution is provided by entrepreneurs, from street level upwards. Informal markets selling spare parts are the simplest recycling business. Some businesses, like Peru Recicla in Peru, collect e-waste across cities and take it to their recycling centers. This means e-waste is not left in landfill sites and does not harm the environment.
There is value in e-waste. Take mobile phones as an example. In every 30 or 40 phones, there is a gram of gold, pure gold. All the phones that we throw away, there is not just gold here, but other metals, copper and platinum. And so if a company can collect and process e-waste, they can do good business selling these valuable materials.
Recicla Chile processes thousands of tons of e-waste every year, creating employment as well as preventing pollution. Workers at its Santiago facility break down old electronic products and separate them into different types of material for recycling. Almost everything can be reused, even the old wires. Recycled materials are then sold to manufacturers and used to make new electronic products. This means the demand for valuable raw materials and natural resources is reduced. Another positive outcome from the recycling business. Recycling e-waste can make a difference to the environment and the economy. As problems with resources and pollution continue to increase, more solutions are needed from all types of businesses as well as governments.